Hello guys, welcome back. If you want to cancel an order on Oopbuy, how can you make a cancel? So I will explain clearly today. But before you make a cancellation, you need to know some rules and regulation offered from the shopping application because these are not the same. In some application, you will be able to cancel uh, when you track your application is already shown on delivery, but you can cancel anywhere. But in some cases, you will not be able to because it's already delivered to your regions. And if you want to cancel, you need to accept your orders again, and you can ask for reference or uh, return as well. So, but in your Ubuy, I will show you step by step how to cancel. So go ahead to your Ubuy application, this one. And what you need to do is you need to go ahead to your user here because we need to check our order first, right? So go ahead to your orders. And in your order section, what can you see is you will be able to see your order. So just select the order that you want to cancel. And if your order hasn't been purchased or purchased, you will be able to see a cancel order right here. You can see cancel order because I haven't made payment for yet. So if you already made a payment, you will not be able to in some case. So if you already made a payment and your order is ready for ship, you will not be able to do cancellation on your Uber because it's already make a delivery process to you. So you need to wait your item, and when you got this, you can ask return your refund by giving exact reason why you want to cancel and why you want to get refund. So now if you haven't paid for yet, you can see cancel button here, right? So just click cancel easily. And you can choose the reason. If you change your mind, incorrect information, seller out of stores or any way to pay, whatever reason you can choose, and just submit. So by doing that, you can cancel your order easily without having any without making any payment on your Uber. But if you already made a if you already made a purchase, you will not be able to. So that's how to cancel orders on Uber, guys. I hope this will help you a lot.